Welcome to another Trend Micro how-to video. In this video, we will show you how to disable newly encountered programs protection for the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. Behavior monitoring works in conjunction with the Web Reputation Services and real-time scan to verify the prevalence of files downloaded through web channels, email applications, or Microsoft Office macro scripts. Trend Micro classifies a program as newly encountered based on the number of file detections or historical age of the file as determined by the Smart Protection Network. Now let's go ahead and log into the Apex Central Web Console. Go to Policies and select Policy Management. Make sure that Apex One Security Agent is the selected product. Click on the test policy that was copied and created from the current policy. Now make sure to specify the machines that will be included for this test. OK, find Behavior Monitoring Settings, then click to expand. Now, under Newly Encountered Programs, uncheck Monitor Newly Encountered Programs downloaded through the web or email application channels. Now click Deploy, and wait for the policy to be deployed. Also, please do take note of the policy version. On the agent side, to verify if the policy was deployed successfully, right-click on the Security Agent icon, then click on Component Versions. Scroll down, then hover on the Information icon and verify if the policy version is the same version showing from the Apex Central Web Console. And that's it. That's how you disable newly encountered programs protection from the Apex Central Web Console for isolation testing. For more how-to support videos, please click the Trend Micro button to subscribe now. To keep watching, click on any of these videos. Also, for the latest in Trend Micro updates and information, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you for watching.